Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Xtronic automatic gearbox is Nissan's brand name for its continuously variable transmissions, CVTs. It's designed to provide seamless acceleration and improved fuel efficiency by continuously adjusting gear ratios, unlike traditional automatics that have fixed gears. Here's a breakdown of a Xtronic CVT. In which cars installed? The Xtronic CVT is widely used across many Nissan models, and also in some vehicles from other manufacturers that use Jatco transmissions. Jatco is a subsidiary of Nissan that produces automatic transmissions. Some popular Nissan models that have featured the Xtronic CVT include Nissan Altima, Nissan Rogue, Nissan Sentra, Nissan Versa, Nissan Kicks, Nissan Murano, Nissan Pathfinder, Nissan Maxima, Nissan Micra, Nissan Juke, Nissan Qashqai, Nissan X-Trail. Review and opinions. Smoothness. One of the most frequently cited advantages is the smooth, shiftless acceleration. Because there are no distinct gear changes, the power delivery feels continuous and fluid, which is often appreciated in city driving. Fuel economy. CVTs generally allow the engine to operate at its most efficient RPM for a given speed, leading to better fuel economy compared to traditional automatic transmissions. Quietness. The smooth operation can also contribute to a quieter ride, as there are no abrupt shifts. Rubber band effect. A common complaint, especially in earlier versions, is the rubber band effect. This refers to the engine revving high without a corresponding immediate increase in vehicle speed, creating a disconnected feeling during acceleration. Nissan has tried to mitigate this with D-step logic in newer versions, which simulates traditional gear shifts under hard acceleration. Response time. Some drivers find a response time to be sluggish, particularly during situations requiring quick acceleration like overtaking. Advantages. Seamless acceleration. No noticeable gear shifts, leading to a very smooth driving experience. Improved fuel efficiency. Allows the engine to stay in its optimal power band for better mileage. Lighter and more compact. Generally has fewer moving parts than a conventional automatic, contributing to a lighter and more compact design. Adaptive driving. Modern Xtronic CVTs with D-step logic can provide a more engaging feel by mimicking gear shifts. Disadvantages. Rubber band effect can feel disconnected and noisy under hard acceleration. Perceived sluggishness may not provide the immediate, punchy acceleration of a traditional geared automatic. Durability concerns. Historically, earlier generations of Nissan CVTs, including the Xtronic, gained a reputation for reliability issues. Cost of repair/replacement. When problems do occur, CVT repairs or replacements can be expensive. Faults and breakdowns. Common issues reported with Xtronic CVTs, especially older versions, include shuddering/juddering, a vibration or shaking sensation, particularly at lower speeds or during acceleration. This can be caused by belt or pulley wear, fluid breakdown, or contamination. Nissan has attempted to address this with software updates and sometimes replacements. Overheating. The CVT can overheat, especially during prolonged uphill driving, heavy loads, or aggressive driving. This can lead to a burning smell, reduced performance, or the transmission entering limp mode to prevent further damage. Inadequate cooling system design has been a contributing factor. Complete loss of power/slipping. The transmission may slip out of gear, or the vehicle may lose power despite increased engine revving. This is a severe symptom of internal component wear or fluid issues. Whining/grinding noises can indicate worn bearings or issues with the CVT belt. Software malfunctions. Faulty transmission control module, TCM, programming can lead to rough shifting or hesitation. Nissan has faced class action lawsuits regarding CVT issues in certain models and has often offered extended warranties or technical service bulletins, TSBs, to address common failures. Versions. Nissan has continually refined its Xtronic CVT technology over the years. The first generation was launched in 2002, and subsequent generations have aimed to improve performance, efficiency, and reliability. Newer versions incorporate features like D-step logic to provide a more traditional shifting feel and address some of the rubber band effect complaints. History. Nissan has been a significant proponent of CVT technology, first adopting it globally in 1992. The Xtronic CVT, as Nissan's advanced version, was first introduced in the 2003 Nissan Murano. The company has invested heavily in developing and integrating CVTs across its product line, touting their benefits in fuel economy and smooth operation. However, the history is also marked by persistent reliability concerns, particularly with earlier iterations, which led to significant customer dissatisfaction and legal actions. Oil, fluid. What oil? The Xtronic CVT requires specific Nissan-approved CVT fluid. This is crucial. Using the wrong type of fluid can severely damage the transmission and void the warranty. The most common type is Nissan CVT Fluid NS3. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the exact specification required for your specific model year. Oil change. Interval. Nissan's recommended CVT fluid change intervals vary by model and driving conditions. Generally, it's recommended every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, approximately 48,000 to 96,000 kilometers. Severe driving conditions. If you frequently drive in severe conditions, e.g., repeated short trips, stop-and-go traffic in hot weather, dusty conditions, towing, heavy loads, fluid changes should be more frequent, potentially as often as every 60,000 miles, 96,000 kilometers. Less severe driving conditions. Some newer models, or under less severe conditions, Nissan might suggest longer intervals or even state that fluid changes are not necessary. However, most experts and mechanics strongly advise against a lifetime fluid approach for CVTs and recommend regular fluid changes to prolong transmission life. Importance. Regular fluid changes are critical for CVT longevity. The fluid lubricates moving parts, cools the transmission, and helps transmit power. Over time, it can degrade, become contaminated with wear particles, especially from the belt, and lose its viscosity, leading to increased friction, heat, and eventually transmission failure. Filter. It's often recommended to change both the fluid and the transmission filters during a service, as clogged filters can also contribute to issues. However, some Nissan technicians have had differing opinions on changing filters, so it's best to discuss this with a trusted professional. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the Automotive Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.